How to log out of QuickBooks account. So if you want to log out of QuickBooks account, then first of all you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and then search for QuickBooks and go for the first search, which is quickbooks.com, and make sure to log in. And after logging in, now if you want to log out of your account from QuickBooks, then what you have to do is you can simply go for the upper right corner, which has that profile icon. Click on that, and here you will have sign out option. So simply click on sign out, and that's it. That's how you sign out of your QuickBooks account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.